In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Shopify step by step. Whether you're starting a brand new online store or looking to migrate your existing business to a robust e-commerce platform, Shopify offers a suite of services designed to get your business online quickly and easily. Let's dive right into setting up your Shopify store. First things first, let's head over to Shopify. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Shopify URL. You'll be directed to the home page, a gateway to beginning your e-commerce journey. Right at the top, you'll notice a login button. Click on this if you're returning to Shopify, but since we're starting fresh, just note it for future reference. Logging in will be your gateway to accessing your store's backend, where all the magic happens. Now, to get started, you'll need to identify yourself. Shopify will ask for an identifying piece of information to ensure that you are indeed the account holder. This step is crucial for protecting your store's data. You'll be prompted to enter this information, so go ahead and type it in carefully. Once you've entered your information, Shopify will then guide you towards continuing with your email. This is a security step to verify that the email associated with your store is valid and accessible. Click on Continue with Email and proceed to the next step. After verifying your email, Shopify allows you to choose an account to proceed. If you've used Google services before with Shopify, you'll have the option to continue with one of those accounts. Selecting an account that you already use for business purposes can streamline your workflow. Upon successfully logging in, you'll want to head back to Shopify's main page where it kindly informs you that you've been logged out. No worries, this is part of the security process. Click on Start Free Trial to begin your journey. Shopify offers a trial period where you can set up your store and test out its features without incurring any charges. This is the perfect opportunity to get acquainted with the platform. Now it's time to officially start setting up your store. You'll be prompted to sign up with your email. Choose Sign Up with Email to create your Shopify account. Make sure to use a secure email that you check regularly, as essential information about your store will be communicated through this channel. After signing up, Shopify will ask for some basic information about your store. This will include your store name, what you're planning to sell, and some additional details to help customize your experience. Filling this out accurately helps Shopify tailor its services to your specific needs. Next, Shopify will guide you to the admin panel, which is the nerve center of your store. Here's where the magic happens. Initially, you'll want to click on Online Store. This section allows you to manage everything related to how your store appears online, from themes to your blog. Choosing a theme is crucial as it sets the tone for your entire online storefront. Shopify has a plethora of themes to choose from, both free and paid. Click on Add Theme to explore your options. Remember, the theme you choose can vastly influence a customer's shopping experience, so choose wisely. Once you've selected a theme, it's time to make it yours. Click on Customize to start personalizing your chosen theme. Shopify's theme editor is intuitive, allowing you to change everything from color schemes to font styles without needing to know a line of code. Part of setting up your store is making sure the back-end settings are dialed in. Click on Settings within the theme editor to access global settings for your store. This could include anything from social media links to what currency your prices are displayed in. Now let's talk about getting paid. Click on Payments under the Settings menu. Here you'll set up how you'll receive money from your sales. Shopify supports various payment providers, so choose a provider to select the one that best fits your business's needs. As your store starts taking shape, consider securing a custom domain to strengthen your brand. Click on Domains under Settings, then on Buy New Domain. A custom domain not only looks professional, but can also boost your search engine visibility. Each step we've walked through today is a building block towards launching a successful online store with Shopify. From signing up and choosing a theme to customizing your settings and selecting a payment provider, every step is designed with simplicity and user experience in mind. As you continue to build and grow your store, remember Shopify has a wealth of resources and a supportive community to help you along the way. And that's a wrap on the basic steps to setting up your Shopify store. I hope this guide has illuminated the path forward for your e-commerce journey. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success in the online marketplace.